Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you how to make these two cute crop tops using these knitted long sleeves. First thing is to remove these ribbons on the shoulder. So what I'm doing now is making a line on how long this top will be and then cut it out. I also cut the sleeves to make it short. So I'm going to double hem the sleeves to make a lettuce hem using a zigzag stitch. Just fold in your fabric twice and sew a zigzag stitch all around and repeat to the other sleeves. Do the same thing on the bottom part. So this is the final result and I really love how it turned out. The lettuce hem is very easy and very cute. So for the last top, I will be using the leftover fabrics. I'm just cutting the sleeves to open it. So I'm using my old sandal to trace the armhole on one side. Next, I'm cutting the piece out straight from one side and folding the piece in half and tracing the other side to make sure it's symmetrical. Now I have two pieces of fabric which I'm going to use it for the front of the top and sew it all around the top edges using a straight stitch. And then all I'm doing is pulling one thread very gently and trying to create some gatherings. Also sew a straight line near the bottom edge of the top. Back to the leftover fabrics. I'm cutting additional fabric to add length on the front part and then sew it. I forgot to film this, but you have to cut another piece to be used as the back of the top. Hem the top edge and add the front piece by sewing the sides using the French stitch. Lastly, I'm going to use this excess for the strap and stretch it out to make it look like an elastic. Then sew the strap and it's done. And there I have my tank top ready and I think it looks cute and pretty. Let me know which one is your favorite and don't forget to subscribe for more DIYs like this. And I see you guys next time. Bye!